In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create and add a clickable button inside Gmail. Here as you see, I add a clickable button inside Gmail. So first thing we need to do to create a button inside Gmail, we have to add a extension in our Chrome browser. So first of all, go to Chrome Web Store. Then search here Gmail button. Here as you see, lots of extension, but I am gonna install the feature one, which is Gmail button by Cloud HQ. Click on Add to Chrome, add extension. Once extension successfully added in your browser, refresh your Gmail page. Then in the bottom toolbar, here as you see button insert icon, just click on it. Now select the button. Enter the button display text here like Facebook. In the URL field, enter the button URL here. I'm gonna put my Facebook page URL here. You can also customize the button, like change the button color. If you want to change the text color, you can as well. Once customization done, click on insert into Gmail. Here as you see, button added in the Gmail. The button is also clickable. In this way, you can insert a button inside Gmail which will be clickable. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.